Alright, we are live. Let's see where the market's going. We're gonna be targeting these highs over here. Our bias is long today. Let's see. Yeah, we're seeing they'll give us a setup of some sort to aim for these highs. At least this high. We're gonna mark this high right here. This from yesterday's high. So that's what we're aiming for. We're inside this 15-minute fair value gap. This would be our inverse if they do it. This is our entry. We also have another gap here. 5 minutes to open. It's kind of 5-minute chart. Yeah, these highs are here. They might sweep 56. Inside this gap. Alright, we're about open. Let's see what they do. Alright, we're about to open. In 2 minutes. Low, low. Or was that it? Probably not. Yeah, I don't see much stuff to the left. We do have this gap now. If they do inverse, we might hop in. Still want this gap on my chart. Alright, Marcus Bell be open. Move this. We just open. We're looking for longs. So we wait for them to sweep something, such as this. They don't have to sweep this. If they inverse this gap, we're gonna take a long. Yo, Niche. Good morning, bro. My only viewer. How's it going? How's it going, bro? Have you started taking a trade yet? We're looking to take something on the upside today. Chilling, computer started bugging, so he just got on. Okay. Well, it is New Year's, so you're not missing much. The usual chop. They have not given us anything yet. They gave us these highs and these lows here. They're probably gonna sweep this first and probably like bust through these highs and go higher. We also have these lows here. Yeah, look at his mid. market opens and just go sideways. We have watched these wicks here. Right, swept these wicks as well as these lows. However, they left these highs over here, which they could go get later or at any point, and we're gonna target much higher. Just waiting for now. Just got on. Alright. We also have some lows over here. They could very well go get. I don't think they will, but it's just something that sticks out. Here, this market. Very clean lows. No trades yet. We're just waiting. Since we're looking to go higher, we gotta wait for them to give us a setup. Take this off. We have a 1 minute cap that I'm looking at on a different chart. Looking at this gap right here. Okay, that's not good. It's not good because they have to close above. Might go for these wicks here. No trade today is totally okay. We don't mind sitting out. Looks like they might go for this. Yeah, they're probably gonna go for this. See if they hit the midpoint. Perfect. Okay, there we go. We just swept liquidity. Right to the by a few picks. 4 points. give it one more sweep. Alright, we're looking to buy if they give us something. This is a good sweep. There's these lows over here. This would be your order block if you were trading on the 15-second. Which is not a bad trade. Take this gap. Come on, fill us. Alright, we're in. Stops on the low of the day. Gonna take this yellow line off. My stop is out. They didn't stop. They're gonna stop us out here. We're this close, so might as well. It'd be crazy if they hit our TP if they don't do that. Very far off. Missed the pre-market bearish inversion, so you're waiting to be bullish now. Yeah, I usually don't trade much pre-market. Can't catch all of them, right? I think this is the bullish move because we swept all this good stuff on the left. All this these lows here, so it makes sense if they start going higher. Yeah, make it make sense. I mean, they could sweep it one more time, like, cause why not? This doesn't have to be D sweep, so they could go down, take us out along the way, and sweep one more time and then start going back up, totally fine. I'll get on that move back up if they do that. And looks like they're gonna sweep us out right now. So if they do sweep us and start going back up, we hop back in. And that'll be our second trade for the day. That's the game plan. Not expecting much for New Year's, but that's what I'm thinking at least. Would be nice if they don't take us out by ticks and just come to our TP over here. We do have some of these highs. We also have these lows. They might as well sweep us once because they're already making these lows here. There we go. Alright, we're stopped out. First loss on the day. We just wait for the next entry. I'm not trying to rush it. See where we got it at. Got in here and stopped out here. Yeah, not a bad trade, I would say. Alright. See, they gave us another entry. These lows are swept. We could also be wrong the direction, because I'm looking to only buy. We could definitely be wrong. Yeah, we could be wrong on direction. If they're gonna go higher, would they be down this low? Probably not. Okay, I think I know what they're doing. They're going for these lows over here. These highs and these highs, they're leaving it for later. It's New Year's, they're not gonna take it now. They're going for these lows. So what we're gonna do is we hop on board. That's what we're doing. 20 to 10. We're lowering our risk, but increasing our size, because it would be a straight shot down there if they're gonna do it. Alright, I'm looking to short this at some point. $6.05, $6.05. We got to be extra precise with our entry here. Because we only have about 7.5 points of stop. $6.05. That's what we're getting in. $6.05 around here. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. 605 is actually a CME halt from a month or so ago, and this is the midpoint. That's why we have 605. See if they fill us. Is this the distribution leg? I have no idea, man. Alright, we're in short. This is our last trade of the day. Very tight stop losses, so they can stop us out instantly. We are targeting this low here. That's the low we're targeting. This is the low we're targeting here. It will make sense. Pretty strong bearish market. Yeah, surprisingly, is a holiday tomorrow, and they are moving quite a bit. Usually not a fan of doing stuff like this, and they're probably gonna stop us out. Probably. Yeah, we're stopped out. That was it. 2 losses on the day. Not sure if they're gonna go get these. I mean, we're pretty close down here, so makes sense they would take these. This high they might not do today yet. They're probably gonna save it for later. Not a bad move. Did they top tick us? They didn't top tick us, but they did. They did stop us out. Was the first trade good? Yeah, I think the first trade was good. We swept sell side. Yeah, we swept sell side here, and we just took the first fair value gap, which was this, stopped out. So that was the first trade. Not a bad trade. Second trade, we were aiming for this, since if they're gonna do this drop pass down here, yeah, even after they swept all this stuff, they're most likely gonna go for this low here. So we were targeting that low and just taking a short in here. I think they were valid trades. Maybe the stop could have been better, but yeah, this is whatever. Come back next time. Could be wrong. We'll see. I'm gonna look at this chart like hours later in the day and be like, damn it, this was a good long on to go higher. Yeah, I'm gonna go here though. Thanks for the 3 viewers that hop on the stream. Have a good holiday. It's a New Year's. Don't overtrade. Just take your losses, call it, enjoy the New Year's. I'm gonna head out. Yo, have a good one, alright? Thanks, Niche. Always here, support me, bro.